If you're choosing between Lubuntu, Xubuntu, and Kubuntu, this isn't just Linux distro versus Linux distro. It's maximum speed versus balance versus features. So, which Ubuntu flavor is actually better? Let's break it down. Lubuntu is the lightest of the three. It uses the LXQT desktop environment, which consumes very little RAM and CPU power. That makes it ideal for older laptops, low-end PCs, and anyone who wants the fastest possible system. But here's the catch. The interface is more minimal, and it lacks some of the polish and features found in the other two. Xubuntu sits in the middle. It uses the XFC desktop environment, which balances performance and usability extremely well. You get a lightweight system that still feels complete and user-friendly, making it a favorite among Linux users who wants ability, without sacrificing too many features. The downside is that it doesn't excel in any one area as much as Lubuntu or Kubuntu. Kubuntu takes the opposite approach. It uses KDE Plasma, one of the most feature-rich and customizable desktop environments available. You get modern visuals, advanced settings, widgets, and a desktop experience that often feels closest to Windows. The downside is that it uses more system resources than Lubuntu and Xubuntu. So the real difference is this. Lubuntu focuses on speed, Xubuntu focuses on balance, and Kubuntu focuses on features and customization. So which one is better? Choose Lubuntu if you want the fastest experience on older hardware. Choose Xubuntu if you want the best balance of performance, stability, and usability. Choose Kubuntu if you want the most modern, customizable, and feature-rich desktop. Bottom line, for most people, Xubuntu is the safest overall choice because it balances speed, simplicity, and usability extremely well. But if your PC is very old, Lubuntu wins. And if you want the best desktop experience with the most features, Kubuntu is the clear winner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.